What up nerds, I'm Jay Sharif and this is going to be a very quick video. I recently bought the Enduro battery. It wasn't easy to get one as Amazon don't stock them and no one seems to be selling them on eBay in the UK. The only way to get it was from GoPro, and UK residents get charged higher prices. I was going to say shafted, but I don't know if YouTube would censor that. Anyway, it's here and I'm about to tell you whether you should buy it. For most of you, the answer will be yes. Yes, you should buy it. For some of you, the answer will be no. And there is a good reason why some of you might want to stick to the standard battery. Now, there are people on YouTube who have put this battery through some very thorough testing. In particular, DC Rainmaker has gone through many scenarios to see how this battery performs. I'm going to keep it very simple though. I wanted to know whether the Enduro battery was better than the standard battery in normal conditions. Basically, day-to-day filming and vlogging. So, I tested it out in the following resolutions, and I also tried to simulate normal usage conditions. So here are the results. In every situation, the Enduro battery will give you more overall record time. Filming in 30 frames per second, you get about 12% more out of the Enduro than the standard battery. Now, when GoPro launched the Enduro, they claimed it could improve record times by up to 40%. And we were all very cynical about that. However, they weren't lying. Filming in 60 frames per second, you'll get a boost of at least 20%. And in one of my test runs, I managed to get a 46% improvement over the standard battery. So, it definitely gives you a lot more record time. However, the Enduro battery also recharges a lot quicker than the standard battery as well. All these benefits, and it costs just $5 more. But before you rush to place an order, there's one very important factor to consider. Overheating. The Enduro battery will overheat your camera quicker than the standard battery, but only in HD and 4K recording modes. Strangely, it overheated a lot slower in 5.3K at 30 seconds. So, the standard battery will be better for you if you film long clips, 40 minutes or more, in HD or 4K, or in warm environments. However, the Enduro will be better for you if you film shorter clips, up to about 20 minutes, in 5.3K at 30 frames per second, or you're filming in cold weather. If that's you, then yes, you absolutely should get the Enduro battery. Now, I live in the UK, where we don't really have extremes of temperature very often, and I usually film long clips in 4K 30. Using the Enduro means my GoPro will overheat about 9% quicker, but I'd also get 12% more record time when compared to the standard battery. Seeing as I intend to attach a power bank tripod to my GoPro, in my situation, I think I may be better off using the standard battery instead. But I also have heard that using an external power bank with the GoPro 10 stops it from overheating. I'm going to test that out in a future video. In conclusion, whether you should be buying the Enduro battery will very much depend on how you intend to use your camera. Personally, I'm still not sure which way to go. My next battery purchase probably will be the Enduro, and from now on I will probably set my camera to film in 5K 30, as that seems to be the best mode to prevent overheating. I've no idea why that is, I'm just telling you what the data suggests. Maybe one of you out there can explain it to me. Anyway, that's all for today. I hope that was useful. I'll be back with another video very soon. Later, nerds.